Hey guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to make no-bake cookies and cream cheesecake, and for the ingredients we will need 36 Oreos, 5 tablespoons of melted butter, 800 grams of cream cheese, a third cup of sugar, a tablespoon of vanilla, and a cup of milk, warm. First we'll be starting off with separating the cookies and cream from each other. Now that we have our cookies and cream separated, we can crush our cookies. Now that you have your cookies crumbled up, you would want to separate them and put it into a bowl, and then keep about half a cup. Combine the melted butter with your crumbs. You want it to look like slightly wet sand. It's a little better. And now you want to put your crumbs into your cheesecake pan. And you want to press the crumbs down. Come on over here, I'll take you guys over. Now we will mix in all of our cream stuff. First being the cream cheese. Start with the cream cheese and your sugar and your cream from your Oreos. And then the tablespoon of vanilla. Just mix that. And once you have your cream cheese mixture a little softer, creamier looking, you pour in your milk. Oh shoot, 2 ways, let's go. And you mix that. And after it starts bubbling, you want to take it over to your pan. Pour that in. Smooth over the top. And then you want to take your leftover crumbs that you saved and sprinkle that over. Okay, now you want to chill it for 4+ hours. And now after 4 long hours, we have our finished product. And now we have our lovely guest, Maverick Beach. And that is how you make no-bake cookies and cream cheesecake. Thanks for watching.